Did you know there's a country with a unicorn as its national animal? Test your knowledge with 40 amazing questions about the countries of our world. Globetrotters, assemble! It's time for the ultimate countries quiz.
It's quiz time. How many can you get right? Test your knowledge and count your correct answers as you go. And hey, don't forget to drop your score in the comments below. We'd love to see how you did.
Which country has the most population in the world? Correct, it's A, China. China has over 1.4 billion people. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Yes, it's A, Japan. Japan is called so because it lies to the east of China. Which country has the Eiffel Tower? Yes, it's B, France. The Eiffel Tower, an iconic symbol of Paris, France, was built in 1887. Where is the Amazon rainforest mostly located? Yes, it's C, Brazil. Brazil holds nearly 60% of the Amazon rainforest. Which country is known for maple syrup? Yes, it's A, Canada. Canada produces 71% of the world's maple syrup. What is the smallest country in the world by area? Yes, it's B, Vatican City. Vatican City is only about 0.49 square kilometer in size. Which country is made up of thousands of islands? Yes, it's C, Indonesia. Indonesia has over 17,000 islands. Where are the pyramids of Giza located? Correct, it's A, Egypt. The pyramids are Egypt's most iconic landmarks. Which country is famous for kangaroos? Correct, it's C, Australia. Australia is known for its native kangaroos. Which country has a red maple leaf on its flag? Yes, it's A, Canada. Canada's flag features a red maple leaf. Where is the Taj Mahal located? Yes, it's A, India. The Taj Mahal was built in 1632 in Agra, India. Which country is the largest by area? Yes, it's B, Russia. Russia is the largest country by land. Which country is known for pasta and pizza? Correct, it's C, Italy. Italy is world famous for its cuisine. Where is Berlin located? Correct, it's B, Germany. Berlin is the capital of Germany. Which country is made of more than 7,000 islands? Yes, it's A, Philippines. The Philippines has over 7,100 islands. Which country is famous for tulips and windmills? Yes, it's C, Netherlands. The Netherlands is world famous for its tulips. Which country built the Great Wall? Correct, it's A, China. The Great Wall, begun in the 7th century BC, spans northern China. Which country has Machu Picchu? Correct, it's B, Peru. Machu Picchu is an ancient Incan city built in the 15th century in Peru. Which country is famous for chocolate and waffles? Yes, it's A, Belgium. Belgium is famous for its delicious chocolate and crispy waffles. Which country is home to Dubai? Yes, it's C, UAE. Dubai is a city in the United Arab Emirates. Where is Mount Kilimanjaro? Yes, it's B, Tanzania. Kilimanjaro is Africa's tallest mountain in Tanzania. Which country is known for samba dance and carnival? Yes, it's C, Brazil. Brazil hosts the world-famous Rio Carnival. Which country uses yen as its currency? Yes, it's A, Japan. The Japanese yen is one of the most traded currencies. Which country hosts Oktoberfest? Correct, it's B, Germany. Oktoberfest is a famous beer festival held in Munich, Germany. Which country is called the land of 1,000 lakes? Yes, it's B, Finland. Finland has over 187,000 lakes. Which country has the Opera House in Sydney? Correct, it's C, Australia. It's one of the most photographed and visited places in Australia. Where is Rio de Janeiro? Yes, it's C, Brazil. Rio de Janeiro is famous for the Christ the Redeemer statue in Brazil. Which country shares Mount Everest? Correct, it's A, Nepal. Mount Everest lies on the border between Nepal and China. Which country has Viking heritage? Yes, it's B, Norway. Norway has deep Viking history. Where is the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Correct, it's C, Italy. It is a renowned bell tower famous for its unintended tilt. Which country lies in both Europe and Asia? Yes, it's A, Turkey. Turkey is a transcontinental country. Which country has the euro as currency? Correct. It's B, Germany. Germany is the first country to use the euro as currency. Where did the ancient Olympics originated? Correct. It's B, Greece. Ancient Olympics began in 776 BC in Greece. Which is the flattest country in the world? Correct. It's A, Denmark. Denmark's highest point is only about 172 meters above sea level. Which country has the most volcanoes? Yes, it's C, Indonesia. Indonesia has over 130 active volcanoes. Which country has the longest coastline? Yes, it's A, Canada. Canada has the longest coastline in the world. Which country is fully surrounded by another? Yes, it's B, Lesotho. Lesotho is entirely surrounded by South Africa. Which country has a unicorn as its national animal? Correct. It's C, Scotland. Scotland's national animal is the mythical unicorn. Which country has the most official languages? Yes, it's A, South Africa. South Africa recognizes 11 official languages. Which country is famous for the Northern Lights? Yes, it's B, Norway. Norway is a top destination for the Aurora Borealis. Amazing! You made it to the end of the quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun quizzes. See you in the next adventure.